you convince the governments of Australia, because Australia is a member of the ICC, to look into the case of President Duterte and the injustice that he is receiving, that he's been getting from the ICC. Imagine mo, detained ka and you have no options for bail. You only have interim release, which is subject to the approval of the court. Maugani, ma'am. That is why I'm telling you, you talk to the government of Australia. Come together. Sit down. Come up with a position paper. Bring his case to the local Australian media. Bring his case to the global community through your social media accounts. That is what we need to do.